Dear students, today our topic is practice set 2.6, in which there is this practice set is based on the topic application of quadratic equations. अभी तक हमने सीखा है कि quadratic equations क्या है, उनके रूट्स क्या है, उनको कैसे सॉल्व करना, what are the different methods to solve the quadratic equations. Now we have to learn what is the application, what is the use of quadratic equation. So let's start with question number 1. The first question is product of Pragati's age 2 years ago and 3 years hence is 84. Find her present age. Now there are three things. Product of Pragati's age 2 years ago and 3 years hence. 3 years hence in after 3 years. So and we have to find her present age. So let's start with the same point. Let Pragati's present age be x year. So this is practice set 2.6. Practice set 2.6. Question number 1. Solution. Let Pragati's present age. Let Pragati's present age is x years. Let her present age is x years. Now we are given the product of her age 2 years ago and 3 years hence. So her age 2 years ago. 2 years ago this age was x. Now present age is x. 2 साल पहले क्या होगी? सपोज किसी की एज आज 15 ईयर्स है तो 2 साल पहले उसकी क्या एज होगी? 13 ईयर्स. सो -2. सो 2 years ago x minus 2 years and 3 years hence. 3 years hence. आफ्टर 3 years. सो 3 साल के बाद में आज 15 है तो 3 साल के बाद में होगी 18. तो +3. सो x plus 3 years. Okay. Now this product is 84. From the given information, x minus 2, product of these two, x minus 2 and x plus 3 equals to 84. Now we will simplify this equation and we will get the quadratic equation. Now we'll open the brackets. X multiplied to second bracket, x into x square plus 3x minus 2x and minus 6, and we'll bring 84 on the left side. Minus 84 equals to 0. Therefore x square plus x and minus 90 equals to 0. Now we have got the quadratic equation in standard form. Now we will solve this equation by factorization method. So we need two factors whose product is negative 90 x square. Product should be negative 90 x square, and the difference, because product is negative, so the difference should be positive 1x. Difference 1 and product 90. The two numbers are 10 and 9. Therefore x square plus 10x minus 9x. We have divided this middle term into two terms. Minus 9x minus 90 equals to 0. Now, so here the common factor is x. Therefore x in the bracket x plus 10 and the minus sign and the common factor is 9. In the bracket again x plus 10 equals to 0. After multiplying we should get the same factors, same terms again. Minus 9 into x, minus 9x, minus 9 into 10, minus 90, negative 90. Therefore now x plus 10 is the common factor. In one bracket x plus 10, in other bracket x minus 9 equals to 0. Therefore x plus 10 equals to 0 or x minus 9 equals to 0. Therefore x equals to negative 10 or x equals to 9. Now what we have assumed that x is the present age. X is the present age, and can the age be negative? Age cannot be negative. Therefore negative 10 x equals to negative 10 is unacceptable. First we will write that the age cannot be negative as the age can't be negative, as the age can't be negative. So x equals to negative 10 is unacceptable. So the answer is x equals to 9. Right? So the answer is x equals to 9. Answer: Pragati's present age. Pragati's present age is 9 years. Now let us verify this answer. हम इसको verify करेंगे. Now we are saying that present age is 9 years. If present age is 9 years, then what was the age? What was her age 2 years ago? It was 9 minus 2, that is 7 years. And what will be her age 3 years hence? After 3 years her age will be 12 years, and the product is 84. So these numbers are satisfying the given conditions that the product will be 84. So we are getting that, therefore our answer is right. We have verified that. So we will write this is just for verification. This is the answer. Okay. अब इसमें मेन बात यही है कि हमें क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन फॉर्म करते आना चाहिए, बाकी सॉल्व करना आपको अलग अलग मेथड्स मालूम ही है. तो अभी हम करेंगे नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Now let's solve question number 2. Sum of squares of two consecutive even natural numbers is 244. Find the numbers. तो अब हम क्या करने वाले हैं? We will just form the equation and you will yourself you have to solve the equation. So let's solve this equation. Solution: sum of two consecutive even natural numbers. Now what are consecutive even natural numbers? Even natural numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. Consecutive means 2 and 4 or 4 and 6. So the difference between two consecutive even natural numbers is 2. So if let the smaller even natural number, let the smaller even natural number is x, and therefore what will be the greater even natural number? Therefore greater consecutive even natural number, it will be 2 more than this. So this will be x plus 2. Okay. Now there the sum of squares is 244. From the given condition, sum of squares, so first number square plus second number square is 244. So first number is x square plus x plus 2, second number is x plus 2 whole square equals to 244. Now let's simplify it and write this equation in a standard form. So x square plus, here we will apply formula a plus b whole square. So this will be x square plus 2 into x into 2 plus 2 square equals to 244. Therefore x plus x square, that is 2x square, plus the product of these numbers is 4x plus 2 square is 4, and we will bring 244 on the left side. So minus 244 equals to 0. Therefore 2x square plus 4x, and the simplification of these two numbers is minus 240 equals to 0. Now you can see that there's 2 is the factor of each term. So we'll simplify it and we'll divide the complete equation by 2. So it will be x square plus 2x minus 120 equals to 0. What we have done, dividing both sides, dividing the equation by 2, dividing both sides by 2. So we have got this equation. Now hereafter you can easily solve it. Okay. Now question number 4. Vivek is older than Kishore by 5 years. Vivek बड़ा है, 5 years बड़ा है किशोर से. And the sum of reciprocals of their ages. Reciprocals means what? Multiplicative inverse of their ages is 1/6. Find the present ages. So let's start. Solution. Who is younger? Kishore is younger. So let Kishore's present age. Let Kishore's present age is x years. If Kishore is x year, then Vivek will be, his age will be, then Vivek's age or present age, you can say present age, Vivek's present age equals to, is 5 years older than Kishore. So x plus 5 years. Now the reciprocals of the sum of reciprocals is 1/6. So what is the reciprocal of their ages? The reciprocals or multiplicative inverse. Reciprocals of their ages is, reciprocal of x is 1/x, and reciprocal of x plus 5, 1/x plus 5 is 1/x and 1/x plus 5 years respectively. Now from the given conditions, the sum of reciprocals is 1/6. So 1/x plus 1/x plus 5 equals to 1/6. Now we'll simplify this equation to get the standard form. So for addition, the denominators should be same. So we'll make the denominators equal. X plus 5 will be multiplied to 1. X plus 5 upon x plus 5 into x. So x into x plus 5 plus x multiplied to 1, x upon x in the bracket x plus 5 equals to 1 upon 6. Therefore, sum of numerators x plus 5 plus x upon x square plus 5x equals to 1 upon 6. Now you can also write here simply 2x plus 5. We will write here 2x plus 5. Now we will do the cross multiplication. So 6 multiplied 2, therefore 6 in the bracket 2x plus 5 equals to 1 multiplied means the product will be same, that is x square plus 5x. What we have done here? We have done cross multiplication. Cross multiplication. Okay. Now, so this product will be 12x plus 30 equals to x square plus 5x. Write both the terms on the left side. So, or what we'll do, we'll write these terms, transfer these terms to the right side. Therefore 0 equals to x square plus 5x minus 12x minus 30, and therefore x square, the difference is minus 7x minus 30 equals to 0. Here we have got the quadratic equation. Now we need two terms whose product is minus 30, and if the product is negative, the difference is minus 7. So the two numbers are minus 10x and plus 3x. X square minus 10x plus 3x minus 30 equals to 0. After factorization, you will get the answer. Okay. The condition should be satisfied that there should be the difference of 5 years between Kishore and Vivek. Question number 6, in which the question is like this. Question 6. There's one man named Mr. Kasam. So there's this man potter which makes pots, and he makes a certain number of pots in each day, and the number of he makes certain number of pots every day, and the cost of one pot is 40 rupees more than 10 times the number of pots he makes every day, and the total cost per pot, and the total cost of all the pots he makes in a day is rupees 600. We have to find two things. Number one, number of pots he makes in one day and the cost of one pot. Now we'll start with late. He makes x pots in a day. The number of pots he makes in one day is x. So the cost per pot is 40 rupees more than 10 times the number of pots. So rupees 40 more than 10 times the number of pots in one day. So 10x. This is the cost of one pot, and total cost is 600. So solution, let the number of pots Mr. Kasam makes in one day is x, or you can also write let Mr. Kasam makes x number of pots each day. So therefore cost of each pot, one pot, equals to rupees 10x plus 40. 40 rupees more than 10 times the number of pots of one day. Now from the given condition, from the given conditions, total cost is given. How we will get the total cost of pots? So we will get the total cost of pots when we will multiply the cost of one pot to the number of pots. Example, if the cost of each pot is rupees 50 and he makes 30 pots per day, then the total cost of all the pots will be rupees 1500. So we have to multiply cost of one pot to the number of pots. So from the given condition, x multiplied to x plus 10x plus 40 equals to 600. Now after this we can solve. Let's solve this equation completely. So 10x square plus 40x minus 600. Let's write this 600 on the left side equals to 0. Now dividing all the equation throughout by 10. So x square plus 4x minus 60 equals to 0. Dividing the equation by 10. Dividing the equation by 10. So now we need two terms whose product is minus 60x square and the difference is 4. What are the two numbers whose product is minus 60 and the difference is 4? The numbers may be 10 and 6. Difference is 4 and the product is 60. So x square, greater number will be positive 10x minus 6x minus 60 equals to 0. Okay, therefore the common factor is x in the bracket x plus 10, here minus 6 in the bracket x plus 10. मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद में वही टर्म्स मिलने चाहिए, माइनस 6x एंड माइनस 60 इक्वल्स टू 0. देयरफॉर in first bracket x plus 10, in second bracket x minus 6 equals to 0, and therefore x plus 10 equals to 0 or x minus 6 equals to 0. Therefore x equals to negative 10 or x equals to 6. Now what we have assumed for x is the number of pots in one day. So number of pots cannot be negative. Number of pots can't be negative. Can't be negative. Therefore x equals to negative 10 is unacceptable or not acceptable. And therefore x equals to 6. Therefore number of pots, in right answer here, number of pots in one day is 6 and cost of each pot equals to 10x plus 40 rupees, that is 10 into 6 plus 40, that is 60 plus 40, that is rupees 100. So the number of pots in one day is 6 and the cost of each pot is 100. 6 into 100, 600. And you can also check that cost of one pot is 6, its 10 time is 60, and 60 plus 40 equals to 100. So the cost of each pot is 40 rupees more than 10 times the number of pots. In this way our answer is also verified. Now we have solved question number 6. The remaining questions, that is 7, number 8 and the questions thereafter we'll solve in the next video. Okay.